everyone, today we are in Portage, Michigan at Kalamazoo Air Zoo, which I was here I think when I was a real young kid, and so it's exciting to come back as an adult. And let me tell you, they have a lot of stuff for adult and a lot of stuff for kids, so it's a great mixture. Make sure that you stick around and see some of the secret pictures I got. The kid really young, honestly, I don't remember much. But they have lots of kids activities, as you can see. And this is very much, I know my grandson has been here several times. He loves it here. I know a lot of kids enjoy being here. Definitely something to do with the kids.
We got place where this is very neat. Well, this is what keeps their planes in the air. That air moving left the top and the bottom. That on the bottom you get quicker than the one over the top. So that one has increased speed. Maybe buddy on the other side. And that's creating you. It's our education department, a real busy.
So guys, when you come here to the Air Zoo, pay attention to the bomb. It's following me. Make it stop.
Oh, third one.
First one of you said there's only 3 of these?
3 of them was all that was built.
Okay.
The first one didn't fly too well and it crashed.
Oh.
So they decided not to fly this one because it was the second one.
Now, if you look at the wall right
so they made changes to the third one, which is in process.
You see on the bottom,
and when that came through, it flew and it did better.
Right in the middle.
So then they changed this one like the third one.
He's kind of in a little round.
But then the third one crashed and killed a pilot and some people on the ground.
Oh
no!
And so this is the only one in existence. It belongs to the Smithsonian. We rebuilt it for them, and they're allowing us to show it off here.
Wow.
Well, this was 1942, 43. It was a little bit before its time.
Nice.
We weren't quite ready. We hadn't ironed everything out at the time, but having the engine in the back end. It meant that they didn't have a normal tail on it, but the rudder instead of on the tail was on the wingtips. And the elevator is on the nose.
Only 3 in existence. 3 were made. And this is the only one left. Hey guys, if you were on my live stream and you seen the trivia questions about this airplane, here it is. Check it out. And if you haven't been at one of my live streams, I invite you to come to the trivia. It is every Tuesday and every Thursday Tuesday is at 7 p.m. and on Thursday we start at 8. And we have trivia questions about just about everything. And last Tuesday, well, I should say Tuesday, was about this airplane. We're building electricity, guys. And then we push this button and watch that ring. Woo! And you can pick different sizes.
It is the result of reason, engineering, thought. It still looks great.
We also have our F-170 Nighthawk over here. We are the only private, non-military vehicle to have one. Cockpit so everybody can see what it's like to train as a fighter pilot. We have our kids selection of Vietnam Cold War era jets there. Also, jet planes people have built, flown, and then donated to us after they. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any of the volunteers or employees there. They'll help you out.
Here is that sneak peek that I've been talking about at the Air Zoo in Kalamazoo. This is a PBY Catalina, a historic amphibious aircraft from World War II. It's just arrived from Florida, and the team here is taking on a huge project of restoring it. The Catalina was used for everything from search and rescue, tracking submarine, and now it is getting a second chance at life. Eventually, they plan on having it fully restored and possibly displayed right here on the main floor of the Air Zoo. How cool is that? I love seeing a place that is not only preserving history, but actually bringing it back to life so we can learn. Keep your eyes out for this one. It's going to be amazing.
It is definitely a busy day here. All the field trips are going on. I recommend, if you're not bringing kids, that you come in the winter time to this place so that it's not as busy with all the kids. But if you're bringing kids, then anytime is a good time. And I will leave the link down below to the website so you guys can check out the events and the schedule to all of the stuff that is here. So if you're ever in Portage, Kalamazoo, this is a great Stop. I'm thinking there may be a problem. I shouldn't be able to see through the nose. Maybe that's why it's here in the hangar getting repaired. Ya think? Pretty cool. I have learned so much being in here. Thank you all for so much for watching this video, and what amazing time. And if you are at the Air Zoo, this section isn't really, I mean, it's kid friendly, but not a whole lot of things for the kid. And so make sure that you do a lot of the stuff over the other building, come over here, quick through this one. But honestly, this one is really cool for me. I enjoyed this one. So as of 2025, it was $18 for adults to come in. Check the website out. I will link it down below. And thank you all for watching. And don't forget, trivia's on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Stay safe. Keep enjoying life.